Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to enable dark theme in Signal Private Messenger app on Android. So this is my Android device, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Signal Private Messenger app. So here is mine, let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and you can see guys I don't have dark theme enabled. So let's enable that. So for that you have to tap on your profile picture icon at the top left. So let me tap on this. And then you have to tap on this appearance, and here we have this theme. So currently you can see I have this system default theme selected, so you have to tap on this theme. Let me tap on this, and I have this pop-up, and you can see here we have three options: system default, light, and dark. So you have to select this third option, that is dark. So just tap on this, and you can see I have this a dark theme selected. You can see. So if I go back, you can see we have this dark theme enabled. Let me go back again to the main screen. You can see here we have this dark theme enabled. So that's it. In this way you can easily enable dark theme in Signal Private Messenger app on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.